Have you ever pondered over the plight of the person who orally submits to Islam but in practice belies it? In other words, his conduct testifies that if deen is represented by his deeds, then all its claims are wrong. The essence of deen is that no one should in the slightest feel that he is helpless. If for some reason a person's needs are unfulfilled, then he or she should be helped at once. But instead of helping, such a hypocrite pushes away the helpless, neither assisting the needy nor inducing others to do so. In order to show himself to be a religious person, he offers a lot of prayers. For such people, prayers become a source of self-deception because they are deceiving themselves and others that they are the virtuous. They, in fact, are oblivious to the concept of salat. The objective of salat is to establish a society in which everyone follows divine laws and every human being continues to receive nourishment. People are oblivious to its objective and their consequential responsibility.